So today's tea is about this boy. I'm about to show his profile in a bit, right now. So we all know this boy. He does like zodiac things, like who's most likely to or whatever. And yeah, he's well known. Well, I saw his live today, and he was fighting with the girl, whatever. Well, he wasn't really fighting. He was arguing with the girl. The girl was doing way too much, in my opinion. Y'all might have your own, but my opinion, they were doing way too much. And yeah, but I don't really know what happened. If you want me to be real with you, because yeah, I came there a little bit late to know what happened, but it seems like to me the girl was doing too much and she wasn't staying in her lane. So yeah, here's the fight though.
Fuck out of here. I just talk my shit too, nigga.
You probably be these little ass girls.
Fuck out of here. What are you talking about? Bro, you look like a goddamn ant. Stop playing with me, son. You look like a goddamn ant. You look like an ant. You look like a fucking ant. You got a fucking ant. You got an ant. Go make your OnlyFans. Go make your OnlyFans page. Go make your OnlyFans page. You on my live, kid. You on my live. You on my live, nigga. You on my live, kid.
You
on my live.
My young ass sister.
The fucking Warriors want you.
Weird as hell.
The fucking Warriors want you,
bro. My young
fucking Warriors want you, son. The Warriors want you. The Warriors want you. The Warriors want you.
You're a predator.
The Warriors want you.
You're a predator.
The Warriors want you.
You're weird.
The Warriors want you. The Warriors want you.
You're weird.
The Warriors want you.
You're nasty.
The Warriors want you.
You're a pedophile.
And you got a fucking cucumber in your hair.
And
you got a cucumber in your hair. And you got a cucumber in your hair. And you got a cucumber in your hair.
You're weird.
The bra too small. Fuck out of here. Like, fuck out of here. You talking all this shit. You was bigger than the fucking door. You the fucking door. Your door bigger. Your door big as shit. You tall as fuck. You tall for no reason. You tall as fuck. You on my who live are you on? Whose live are you on? You on my live. Eat your cucumbers, son. Fuck out of here. Fuck out of here. And she left. Fuck out of here. Built like a fucking lamp. Talking all that shit. She thought because she showed her face. Fuck out of here.